Alright, today I'm going to be installing the Arai DF-X2 helmet diffuser. It goes on your Arai helmet. It goes on multiple models. I got it from motorcyclegear.com. They have excellent prices. I suggest you check them out. That's how it comes. If you're interested, I might do a giveaway too for anybody else that has a Arai helmet that this works on. It works on multiple Arai helmets. I got it in the light smoke color. Got directions. And that's all that's in the box. So first step, you gotta set your rear air wing on your helmet to position 3 or higher. So all the way down is position 1. One click up is position 2, position 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna leave mine in position 5. After that, you gotta adjust your rear tabs in the position you want, open or closed. I'm gonna leave mine open. So after setting these, the air wing and your exhaust holes you got here, you want to clean the back of it with alcohol. In other videos they say to use soap, but I prefer this. It's clean, it dries quick. So you're gonna go ahead and clean off all this area where the diffuser is gonna sit. Alright, once you clean that, just let it sit for a minute to air dry. Alright, now that the helmet has been cleaned, you are to pull back on the A and B tabs. It's a third of the way, and then crease it on each side. Like so. Don't pull it all the way off yet. So just pull back a third here and back a third here on the A and B's, just like this image here, and then remove that middle piece. So I have it pulled back here and here. Now I'm going to remove the middle piece. That's kind of hard to see. So after you pull that back, you're going to slide this in, making sure you don't touch anywhere where the exposed tape has already been removed. Just like that. Kind of lift up on here. Follow that edge around. You gotta kind of flex it out. Stick it down. And make sure you press good. Once you get pressed here, you're gonna remove the rest of the tape. Go along with your finger, make sure you push firmly to make sure it's set. Do the same thing on the other side. back as well. Make sure it's all pressed. There you go. It's your Arai DF-X2 Diffuser install. Pretty simple. Matches these vents here. I wish it was a little darker to match this in my front visor, but it's not too bad. Looks alright. Try it out here. Hopefully in a day or so. You gotta let it set before you do any high-speed riding, 24 to 48 hours. Alright, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more.